Hello and hi to sweet viewers of Easy Health Tips. I'm Dr. Sheen and you are watching your all-time favorite YouTube channel Easy Health Tips. Before moving towards our today's topic, I request you to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon in order to get latest videos first of all. So let's start our today's topic.
Alright guys, here we are with the latest sci-fi news episode. So let's start without any wastage of time. The FDA approves Johnson & Johnson's single-shot COVID-19 vaccine. It's the third vaccine to be approved in the US. Previously by Pfizer and another company. Next news with us is injured spinal cord repaired using patients' own stem cell. That's also a very great breakthrough in the treatment and medicine field. Some patients were able to walk and use their hands following the injection. That's very great. Moving on to our next news, a giant iceberg more than 20 times the size of Manhattan just broke off from the Antarctica's brunt ice shelf. That's really great. Now next, moving to next news, a rare pea species missing for a century have been rediscovered in Australia. The species was last seen in 1923. Now moving toward the astrology part, new study suggests supermassive black holes could form from dark matter in high density regions in the centers of the galaxies. So continuing our news. So keeping it continue, let's move on to our next news. Over 36 million people have been vaccinated against COVID-19 across 103 countries. The average global vaccination rate is 6.67 million shots a day. Now moving towards next, a first of its kind study has found that cone snail venom conotoxin from a species of sea snail could potentially treat severe malaria. Moving toward the next news, scientists discovered 7,000 never seen before viruses in the human gut. These viruses invade gut bacteria, but what they do is still unknown. Moving toward next, scientists discovered a 4.4 million year old skeleton that could reveal how early humans began to walk upright. Now, last but not the least, researchers detect a ghost particle coming from a star shredded by a black hole. It revealed 750 million light years and ended up in Antarctica. Oh my god, is it going to end our world? Give your suggestions in the comment section. Thank you.
Alright viewers, have we finished the topic? You can give us your precious feedback in the comment section below. And don't forget to share this video with your fellows. Also subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to show your love and support. Thank you. We'll be right back tomorrow with a new and interesting video. Till then, take care of yourself, your friends and family. Bye bye.